Hello everyone. Simsky Drone Simulator Challenge was designed as a high-intensity competitive flight simulation event hosted at NIT Kurukshetra on October 28 to 29, 2025. We engaged 44 students over 8 focused offline hours. The objective was simple: test precision, flying, spatial awareness, and decision making under pressure in a zero-risk environment. This was not gaming, this was structured pilot training through competition. Traditional drone training comes with three major barriers: high cost, high risk, limited practice time. Professional FPV drones can cost anywhere between 20,000 to 7.5 lakhs. Crashes during learning are expensive. Flight time is restricted to 5 to 8 minutes per battery. Weather and space constraints limit access. Simsky removes all three barriers. In simulation, you can crash 100 times at zero cost. You reset instantly. You practice continuously. You receive data driven performance feedbacks. Our objectives were fivefold: refine precision piloting, improve spatial awareness, strengthen rapid decision making, encourage strategic flight planning, foster peer learning. The 30 obstacle course forced pilots to constantly adapt, improving depth perception and throttle discipline. Skills gained here directly translate to real world drone operation and safety. To ensure structured progression, we designed three-level difficulty tiers. Level 1, easy mode, stability assist enabled, wide gates, focus on fundamentals. Level 2, medium mode, reduced assistance, complex turns, vertical challenges. Hard mode, full acro mode, manual control, tight gaps, pro level physics. This progression ensured inclusivity for beginners while still challenging advanced pilots. The event followed a structured competitive loop: briefing, practice, timed heat, ranking. The rules were fastest single lap wins and 5-second penalties for crashes or gate misses. We recorded 44 participants, exceeding our 40 student target by 110%. The total operational expenditure was around 8,000. It was executed offline at NIT Kurukshetra under budget, on schedule, fully completed. This proves the model is cost efficient and scalable. The feedback was overwhelmingly positive. Participants described the physics as close to real quad behavior. Multi-tier difficulty allowed beginners and advanced pilots to compete fairly, and the engagement was high since students repeatedly attempted laps to shave milliseconds off their time. The live leaderboard created healthy competitive pressure. So, the key takeaways is that the participants showed improved stick control, better throttle management, enhanced spatial awareness, faster decision making under pressure, adaptive strategy across difficulty modes. Virtual flight hours translated into measurable skill improvement. The participation target achieved crossed 110%. Execution status was completed. The total duration was for 2 days. The mode was offline, and the prizes were awarded to the top three. Engagement quality remained high across both days. Execution required strong coordination. Faculty in charge, event coordinator, technical lead, track marshals, logistics and support teams. Operations handled calibration and troubleshooting. Marshals ensured fairness and leaderboard accuracy. Logistics managed participation flow. Clear role ownership minimized risk. We proactively addressed key risks. The skill gap: mandatory briefing was given plus practice labs; fairness, the standardized simulator settings plus digital timing logs; hardware failure, pre-event stress testing and backup stations; scheduling bottlenecks, staggered heat slots; physical safety, simulator environment eliminated propeller injury risk entirely. The simulator inherently removes the biggest risk in drone racing: physical collision. Total 2025 expenditure was around 8,000. 50% went to prices, 30% to logistic, and 20% to consumables. The expansion plans for the future are to add five or more simulator stations, establish a recurring advanced racing league, create a real drone bridge for top performers, launch certification pathway, conduct beginner boot camps. Simsky 2026 aims to scale both participation and professional alignment. Simsky proved that high-risk technical training can be converted into a zero-risk, data-driven, competitive framework. We demonstrated strong participation, high engagement, measurable skills, cost-efficient execution, and safe operational design. Simsky is not just a competition, it is scalable pilot training ecosystem. Thank you.